Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Binance Pay ID. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Binance app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Binance apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a QR icon at the top, which is just at the right side of the search bar. So let's tap on that QR icon, and now you can see it is asking us to give a Binance QR code. So you can see there is a my QR code option at the bottom left corner of this screen. So let's tap on that my QR code, and now you will be able to see your QR code over here successfully. Now once you tap on that share QR code option, and you will be able to see your Binance Pay ID at the top, which is at the right side of your username. So just what you can do is you can simply save image, or you can also share it as well, or you can tell it, or you can type it manually as well. So basically this is how you can find your Binance Pay. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.